Cookie. Be a good cookie. Ow! Ow! You little shit. I'm trying to pet you. Brown Leghorn came over and pecked the shit out of her.
I saw.
Good chicken. Get Cookie. Get her. Cookie. Be a good chicken. No. No biting. Come here. Cookie, come here. Here I am trying to give you food. You're being a dick. No. No. Don't be rude. You're ungrateful.
Why are you being a jerk-off?
Brown Leghorn steps in to kick its ass. Good chicken. Good chicken. Come here, Brown Leghorn. Oh, you're going to run away from me, huh?
Father?
Cookie. I'll take you inside for rehabilitation. Who are you running away from now? Hold this for a minute, would you?
Okay.
I'm going to stop this one and do another one. Cookie went behind there. So I'll be back in a minute, people.